Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dagny. So excited. I always am. We are doing Facetory. If you don't know what Facetory is, it is a monthly beauty subscription. It's all sheet masks. I get these 7 Lux Plus and it costs me almost $40 here in Canada. I believe it's only $19.99 in the States. It's a great subscription. If you love sheet masks and love skincare like I do, I personally have been more on the skincare side, if I could speak today, than I have been makeup lately. But if you love skincare and you love sheet masks, definitely check this out. I will leave the link for you below. So it's 7 sheet masks. That's the one I scribed. So I think it is called the 7 Lux Plus. And you also get 1 to 2 bonus items. That's what they claim, okay? I've only ever gotten 1. So I always say just 1. Sorry, I was looking at the first item. It's weird. So yeah, 7 Lux, and it comes with a pamphlet that tells you all about the sheet masks and when the best time to use it is. The first item I got is really weird. What's beauty water? Like, I've heard of micellar water, but what is beauty water? If I ever got anything, like I said, I'll just leave the link below. I'm tired. It's evening. I spilled coffee on my shirt, so I changed it. Oh, speaking of coffee. Back to this. Beauty water. What is beauty water? Oh, the one time. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we got 2 bonus items this month. This one and a extra sheet mask. Oops, a hand mask. Oh, it's a hand mask, you guys. I freaking love hand masks. But let's get back to this one because I'm confused. It says on this pamphlet, Sun and Park Beauty Water. The RP, the price is $8 USD. It says slough off dead skin cells while hydrating and prepping the skin. This multitasking product can act as a cleansing water or toner. It has a pH of 4.5 to help reset the skin and ensure the skin barrier isn't compromised. So that's crazy. So it's not like micellar water. I don't get it. There's rose, sunflower water, and papaya fruit water. You use it like a toner. You put it on a cotton pad. But it says, we love that this can be used as a toner, cleansing water, or an exfoliator. It's moisturizing, refreshing, and delivers an even glow. It's packed with plant extracts to help smooth, calm, and hydrate the skin. That is so cute. I've never seen anything like that before. Just like plain rose water for the skin. Like, I mean, I have rose water spray, and I have micellar water, but this is different. I can't wait to check that out. So that's our first bonus, skincare bonus. So there is 2 this month. That's crazy. The other one is the hand mask. That's super cute. It says enriched with shea butter. This hand mask delivers moisture to dry hands. It's perfect to use for self-care spa day. That is super exciting. Like, it even shaped like a hand. I don't know why I didn't clue in. I'm having a moment. Need more coffee. But that is super cute. I love a good hand mask too. Along with the sheet mask, I love those too. Alright, so 7 sheet masks. 7, those are backwards. 7 beautiful sheet masks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 sheet masks. Alright, let's go through them all and check them out. Let's start with, okay, so this one, oh, I've never seen that before. This one is a this or that. And we could have got this one. It says potato. It's a potato mask. Jigot, Angels in the Sky, potato, real ampule mask. The Oxman skin condition is maintained by potato extract to make elastic and moisturizing? What? I'm so confused. But the other one you could have got was anti-wrinkle skin elasticity mask by Orgena. I'm sorry, I'm going to butcher these names horribly. But it says smooth and renewed skin is just a few minutes away. These sheet masks are great for adding extra moisture to your complexion for a plump, dewy, soft appearance. Not only do these sheet masks feel super nourishing, but they also contain amazing ingredients that help lock in moisture and add a layer of hydration. You can't go wrong with either of them. They're, well, I'm excited to try it. I've never had a mask, I don't think, that had potato in it. I don't know. Crazy. But I'm super excited. So this one is worth $2. Did I say what the hand one was worth? That one's worth $4. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Okay, not even gonna try. This is what it looks like. Like, I don't understand that. I'm not even sure. I think that's Korean. Yeah, it's made in Korea. Although I can't say for sure that this is Korean letters. But it's called a heart signal mask. It's soothing germophermin and nutrition. Oh my goodness. Let's check out the card. So it's a soft microfiber sheet mask that moisturizes the skin while also evening out the complexion. Infused with lotus flower extract, this sheet mask is perfect for adding radiance nourishment to a dull complexion. The sheet mask feels ultra nourishing, especially after a long day. We notice that it minimizes our dry patches and provides a pretty dewness to our complexion. We loved using this before applying makeup. Ooh. And that was worth $3. Well, that's interesting. I like the heart signal. I love that. That's super cute. Super pumped to try it. Ooh. Is this by the same brand? Oh, we got another one by the hand mask brand. I forgot to say, it's from Bling Pop. Super cool. This one is face mask brightening. Ooh, it's got rice bran in it. This one is worth $3. It's a brightening and soothing sheet mask that helps restore the skin's radiance, and it promotes a youthful glow to the skin. They love how soothing and comforting the mask feels on their faces. That sounds really good. I can't wait to try that too. There's something in my eye driving me crazy. One second. Okay, I cannot find it. That is like the worst annoying thing in the world. Anyway, we'll try and move on. Okay, so, ooh, the next one's also very interesting. I love some of the pictures on these sheet masks. They're crazy, but this one says, I'm sorry for my skin. I'm sorry for my skin. That sounds familiar. I don't think I've tried this one before, but that sounds familiar. Anyway, it's a jelly mask. It's relaxing. That's what it says on the front. Super cute. It is worth $3.50. It's a relaxing mask with a pH of 5.5. This sheet mask takes care of sensitive skin. It contains a lovely jelly-like essence for a refreshing sheet mask experience. It's infused with relaxing ingredients that help minimize irritations. Huh. Oh, it's got chamomile. Chamomile? Some kind of flower. I don't know how to say it. I'm sorry. Alright. Ooh, Tetra. Tetra, of course, I've used this brand before. We just got acne patches from this brand. I believe it was in the last bag. Super love those. I love acne patches. I've been using the Hero ones too. I love those ones too. This one is, doesn't say on there. This is what it looks like. All their stuff is in this like color scheme, and that's exactly pretty much what it looks like. But this one, it's just, this sheet mask is packed with ingredients that help balance the skin and blur imperfections. It's perfect for adding extra nourishment at night so you can wake up and to a smooth and moisturized complexion. Ooh, that sounds good. I love when they tell you whether to use it for your makeup, right? Or use it at nighttime or in the morning. I love that they add that little bit. All right, 2 left. Next one we have, ooh, it's a double, or it's a 2-step one. I like these two. So first you have a mask starter pad. It's a 7-day plus mask lemon brightening care. Lemon's rich vitamins provide nutrients to restore Restore skin's radiance and youthful glow. Glutathione? I don't know. I don't know. Transform skin with clarity and luminosity with its brightening property. That's cool. Brightening mask. What does this one work? $3.50. Okay, last one. All right, that sucks. I'm always sad when you get to the last product of my subscription bags. Excited to start, sad at the end because we did the last one, but I'm super excited about all these cheap masks so far. This is the last one, and we've got Extreme Moisture Mask. That sounds good. Contains natural moisturizing factors, NMF, and natural ingredients. Strengthens skin barrier and intensively moisturizes the skin. Use biocellulose mask sheet. High adhesion and high absorption rate. That sounds really, really good. This is what it looks like. No idea. Bonjour. I think that's what it's called. Super freaking exciting though. Like I said, I love getting these every month. I have so many. I don't know how I don't keep up with them, but like I've got a basket full. and I use them like almost every day. So I don't know how I end up with this so many, but I do. I have so freaking many of them. So what do we think? Which one is your favorite this month? Which product would you like to try the most? These were amazing. They look amazing. That's my words. I'm so excited to try them. So freaking pumped. All right, but that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a fantastic evening. Bye.